Okay, folks, let's look at this AS pure mathematics, coordinate geometry problem. Okay, so equations of straight lines. Number 3, take from an AS pure maths past paper, okay, for the edX on exam board. The points P and Q have coordinates -1, 6, and 9, 0, respectively. Line L is perpendicular to PQ and passes through the midpoint of PQ. Okay, so is a perpendicular bisector of P and Q. Find an equation for L, giving your answer in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are integers, okay, so being whole numbers, okay. So step 1, let's work out the midpoint, okay, of PQ, and then we'll work out the gradient of PQ, and then work out the perpendicular gradient, okay, by doing the negative reciprocal. So let's do it here step by step. So the midpoint PQ, so we are going to add the x coordinates and then half it, and the y coordinates and then half it. So we're going to have -1 plus 9 all over 2, so -1 plus 9 halves, and then 6 plus 0 over 2, 6 plus 0 halves. Okay, when we do this, guys, what we get, well, we're going to get 8 halves. 8 over 2 makes 4, and then 6 halves makes 3. So we get 4, 3 as our midpoint of PQ. Okay, what's our next step now? Well, we're going to work out the gradient, okay, PQ. So that's going to be the change in y over the change in x. So work out the difference in the y coordinates over the difference in the x coordinates. So we're going to have 0 minus 6 over x2 minus x1, so 9 subtract -1, 9 minus -1, 0 subtract 6 makes -6 or -6, over 9 minus -1 makes 9 plus 1, which makes 10, so we get the gradient to be -6/10, which simplifies to -3/5. Okay, so that's the gradient of PQ. Okay, so I'll just put M of PQ. We want the perpendicular, okay, of PQ, so that's going to be the negative reciprocal, so that's going to be 5/3. Okay, just delete this now, so we've got a bit more space. Okay, so let's keep the midpoint there. Okay, so the negative reciprocal of -3/5, that'll become minus 5/3, becomes positive 5/3. So the gradient, the perpendicular gradient, I'm going to call it, okay, for perpendicular, it's going to be 5/3. I'm now going to use here y minus y1 equals m brackets x minus x1, or y equals mx plus c, and then rearrange it in this format. So let's just pick one. Let's pick this coordinate. So we're going to have y minus 3 is equal to 5/3 x minus 4. Okay, y minus y1 is equal to m minus x1. Sorry, m brackets x minus x1. Okay, I can now, times up by 3 on both sides. Okay, because I want it in the form x plus by equals 0. Okay, rather than y equals mx plus c. But again, there's no harm here. Okay, and expanding it, so times up by 3. I have 3y minus 9 equals 5 lots of this. It's going to be 5x minus 20. Okay, bring everything together now. So subtract 3y on both sides and then add 9 simultaneously. So subtract 3y on both sides and then add 9, okay, to both sides to make the right hand side, left hand side equal to 0. So what we're going to get, we're going to get 0 is equal to 5x minus 3y minus 11. Okay, minus 20 plus 9 goes to minus 11. Okay, gets closer to 0. Okay, so A equals 5, B is minus 3, and C is minus 11. Okay, so my final answer just reads, let's just delete this, we've got more space. Okay, final answer just reads 5x minus 3y minus 11 is equal to 0. where it's in the format ax plus by plus c equals 0, okay, and that's a very, very, powerful and a very, very, classic question that will appear on your start of your A-level pure maths exam for the full A-level or the AS, looking at coordinate geometry, so equations of straight lines, guys. And also, so knowing, your perpendicular midpoints, y minus y1 equals m brackets x minus x1, knowing your negative reciprocals, okay, for perpendicular lines, okay, they must always multiply to make minus 1, okay. So it's a lot of it's revision from GCSE 91 maths, but make sure that you're happy with this, and again, comment your topic requests, okay, as we approach the final exams for end of year 12, end of year 13, and I'm hoping to start some live streams properly, going through exam content, okay, hopefully from next week or the week after, from the 7th or the 8th or the 9th, okay, we're going to start banging out past papers for AS Pure Maths and also A2 Pure Maths, going through exam style questions. We approach the final set of exams, okay, for your AS Pure Maths, okay, or your A-level Pure Maths, okay. Drop your topic requests below and let me know, okay, about doing any live streams, okay, what time of day you want, okay, for now.